So hello and welcome to my channel. This is my first vlog making today. Hope you guys like this video. So in this video I'm going to take you a canal where I can go for, sometimes I go for bath. So this is the road you have to go if you want to go to the canal, and you have to go through this road. On my left side there's quite jungle out there, on my right side there's a field. So yeah, so this is the canal I'm talking about, and I was talking back there. So this is the canal. As you can see the water is beautiful. I don't know if you can see it through the camera. Is in reality it is more beautiful. I'm loving this place. There is nobody here. As you can see, there's absolutely empty place, and that's why I love to come here. Really, I was not expecting this water to be very cold, but it's very cold. So yeah, see you after the bath. If you keep quiet yourself, you can hear a lot of birds chirping. So I've almost done my work, and now it's time to heading towards my home. So let's see later in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the further notifications. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. Thank you.